Hello, sammen. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you aspire to be an international culinary connoisseur, or perhaps you're planning a trip to Norway and want to immerse yourself in the local food scene? Either way, learning basic Norwegian vocabulary for food and cooking is a great place to start. Today we'll dive into the world of Norwegian food and cooking, equipping you with a essential Norwegian vocabulary to enhance your culinary experiences, from everyday household conversations to navigating restaurant menus easily. These words and phrases will give you a deeper understanding of Norwegian food. In order to build your vocabulary, let's start with some essential Norwegian expressions that are commonly used in conversations about food and cooking. These expressions will help you communicate effectively and understand the context when discussing culinary topics in Norwegian. Here are a few examples. Mat, mat, mat. Food. This word encompasses all types of food in Norwegian. It is the most commonly used term when talking about cuisine. Oppskrift, 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 recipe. This word refers to a set of instructions for preparing a specific dish. It is an important term to know when exploring Norwegian recipes. Ingredients, 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 ingredients. When discussing recipes or cooking, this word is used to refer to components or elements that make up a dish. When following a recipe or preparing a meal, knowing the correct cooking verbs is crucial. Here are some common Norwegian cooking verbs to add to your vocabulary. Steke, 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 to fry. Bake, 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 to bake. Koke, 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 to boil. Grille, 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 to grill. Skjære, 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 to cut. Brassere, 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 to braise. Brune, 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 to brown. Røre, 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 to stir. Piske, 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 to whip. Describing the flavors and qualities of food is also an essential part of discussing Norwegian cuisine. Here are some common cooking adjectives to help you articulate the characteristics of dishes. God, 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 good. Smakfull, 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 tasty. Krydret, 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 spicy. Søt, 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 sweet. Salt, 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 salty. Sur, 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 sour. Bitter, 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 bitter. Luftig, 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 fluffy. Saftig, 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 juicy. Sprø, 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 crispy. By incorporating these Norwegian cooking verbs and adjectives into your culinary vocabulary, you can confidently follow recipes, understand cooking instructions, and discuss the flavors and qualities of Norwegian dishes. Practice using these words in context to enhance your language skills. When traveling in Norway or dining at Norwegian restaurants, it's helpful to know some essential Norwegian phrases related to ordering and dining out. Whether you're indulging in traditional Norwegian cuisine or exploring international flavors, these useful expressions and vocabulary will enhance your dining experience in Norway. Basic phrases. Jeg vil gjerne ha. Jeg vil gjerne ha. Jeg vil gjerne ha. I would like to have. Kan jeg få, kan jeg få, kan jeg få, can I have? Takk, 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 thank you. Jeg er ferdig, jeg er ferdig, jeg er ferdig, I'm finished. Regningen takk, regningen takk, regningen takk, the bill, please. When ordering food in in a Norwegian restaurants, these phrases will come in handy. Kan jeg få en meny takk? Kan jeg få en meny takk? Kan jeg få en meny takk? Can I have a menu, please? Hva er anbefalingen i dag? Hva er anbefalingen i dag? Hva er anbefalingen i dag? What is the recommendation today? Jeg vil gjerne bestille. Jeg vil gjerne bestille. Jeg vil gjerne bestille. I would like to order. Kan jeg få vann? Kan jeg få vann? Kan jeg få vann? Can I have water? Kan jeg få vin? Kan jeg få vin? Kan jeg få vin? Can I have wine? If you're unsure about what to order, don't hesitate to ask for recommendation. Hva er spesialiteten deres? Hva er spesialiteten deres? Hva er spesialiteten deres? What is your specialty? Hva vil du anbefale? Hva vil du anbefale? Hva vil du anbefale? What do you recommend? Hva er den mest populære retten? Hva er den mest populære retten? Hva er den mest populære retten? What is the most popular dish? It's important to understand the menu when dining out. Familiarize yourself with these helpful terms. Forrett, 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 appetizer. Hovedrett, 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 main course. Dessert, 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 dessert. Dagens rett, dagens rett, dagens rett, today's special. Vegetarisk, 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 vegetarian. Allergier, 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 allergies. We have delved into the essential Norwegian vocabulary for food and cooking, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon in your language learning journey. By familiarizing yourself with these Norwegian words and phrases, you'll gain the confidence to navigate food-related conversations, fully immerse yourself in Norwegian culinary experiences, and to follow recipes. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School, NLS Norwegian Language School, on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.